Hello everybody, it's Kyra from BodyCandy. On today's episode of The Tea, we'll be talking about how to care for your stretched lobes. So stretch piercings obviously require a different level of aftercare. So if you've made the jump to start stretching your lobes, or if you already have them stretched and you just want to know how to care for them better, then please keep on watching. Remember, it's not just earlobes that are stretched, you can also stretch your septum and other parts of the body. We're going to specifically talk about lobes today. They are the most common. So not all this information would necessarily apply to other stretch piercings. But if you'd like to hear about that, then please let us know and I will film a video on it. So the stretching process. Ideally, you should be doing this with single flare glass plugs. You should be stretching one gauge no more than 1 millimeter at a time. You should never apply any antibiotic ointment or moisturizer to this area. It can make a breeding ground for bacteria. You should be using a good sterile saline spray like Med. This is a piercing aftercare spray. We have linked this in the comments below as well. So for full details on dead stretching, we have also linked information to this in the comments below. So once you've achieved your desired size, your earlobes do need to breathe. So once they're healed, make sure to take your plugs out for a couple of hours a day to allow your ears to breathe. Ideally, you should get to a point where you can take them out overnight. Otherwise, moisture can get trapped inside the fistula. It can cause your lobes to become irritated, weepy, and a little bit painful. So as long as your lobes are healthy and in good condition, you should be giving them the occasional massage with a good quality oil like jojoba or sweet almond. When you shower, make sure your lobes are fully dry before putting your jewellery back in, and clean your plugs before you insert them again. When it's time to go up a size, make sure you do not force it. If you're having trouble getting the jewellery in, your lobe is not ready. Try using heavier plugs in the same size, such as stone plugs, or hanging ear weights to help it along, but these should not be used for stretching. A couple more tips just to help you out, things that I wish I knew growing up. Acrylic is not safe for stretching or for wearing in freshly stretched lobes. If it hurts or bleeds, stop what you're doing, your lobes are not ready. If you get a blowout, take your jewellery out until it heals. It's better to lose some size than end up with your lobes looking funky. This is one thing I did do. My lobes aren't perfect without my jewellery, and do not get me wrong, they're quite thin. That's my own teenage mistake. Learn from me if anything. If you're wearing straight or single flare plugs, don't forget to check your O-rings occasionally. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to BodyCandy. You'll see a lot more of these informational videos. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.